Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1. Start. The contention of the learned counsel for the appellant is that the selections are governed under the provisions of the government order dated 23/11/2007. Read with the government order dated 29/4/2011. Stop. According to the terms and conditions of the said government orders, a select list has to be prepared by the administrative committee of the Gram Panchayat. Stop. The list of selected candidates has to be drawn up in accordance with the eligibility provided they fulfill the eligibility conditions according to the merit of the candidates. Stop. The contention is that clause 5 and 6 of the government order dated 23/11/2007 makes a provision that if the candidate selected at serial number 1 shows unwillingness to join the post in spite of being selected, then the candidate next in merit shall be selected. Stop. The selection is by the administrative committee. Stop. The other provisions contained in clause 6 are that if the selected candidate is not possessed of the eligibility as prescribed, then in that event the Gram Panchayat will proceed for selecting another candidate. Stop para. Shri Verma submits that a perusal of these clauses leaves no room for doubt that the selections were held and that the candidate selected at serial number 1 had willingly not joined on the post, and the candidate at serial number 2 has to be offered the said employment. Stop. It is therefore urged that the conclusion drawn by the district magistrate Barabanki in the order dated 31/10/2013 are not in consonance with the aforesaid clause, and even otherwise the elimination of the appellant is arbitrary, that violates of Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop. It is further contended that the selection had not been cancelled and it was only the unwillingness of the selected candidate that had led to this situation, whereafter the appellant had filed this writ petition before this court directing the district magistrate to consider his claim in accordance with law. Stop. It is thereafter that the order dated 31/10/2013 was passed, observing that since the process of fresh selection had been decided to be undertaken, and since there was no waiting list provided for under the relevant government orders, therefore there was no occasion to consider the claim of the appellant to offer him employment as a Gram Rojgar Sevak. Stop para. A challenge being raised to the same in the writ petition giving rise to the present appeal has also failed, where the learned single judge has accepted the said reasoning and has, in addition thereto, relying upon the judgment of the apex court, has held that since the engagement of a Gram Rojgar Sevak is on contract basis and only an honorarium is offered, the same does not amount to creation of the post under the government, and being an engagement under the scheme, the appellant does not have any right to claim his engagement, as there was no violation of any statutory provision. Stop. Thus, the direction of the district magistrate Barabanki to hold fresh selections has been upheld. Stop para. Shri Verma submitted that the learned single judge has committed an error in proceeding to interpret the government order and upholding the impugned order of the district magistrate dated 31/10/2013, and further that even if it is apparently an appointment on honorarium basis, the provisions of Article 14 of the Constitution of India are clearly attracted that have been overlooked. Stop. Hence, the impugned judgment and the order of the district magistrate deserve to be set aside. Stop. He has also relied on the unreported judgment in the case of Srimati Shahida Parveen versus State of UP and four others bracket special appeal defective number 389 of 2014 bracket close, decided on 16/4/2014 to substantiate his arguments. Stop. Learned Standing Counsel, on the other hand, submits that the appellant does not have any vested right to claim selection or appoint, inasmuch as the selection does not give any right to appointment. Stop. He further submits that this is not statutory appointment against salary, and being a contractual appointment under a government scheme, learned single judge has not committed any error in refusing to interfere in the order. Stop. Thank you.